Hello and welcome to the Soup Troupe. Today we are making coconut curry ramen with kale, quinoa, and chickpeas, and the full ingredient list is available for you with instructions at thesouptroupe.com. Now let's get started. First of all, I am chopping up my garlic, my onions, and some veggies. We're throwing in some carrots, some zucchini, some peas and corn, and now we're going to prepare the soup. So we're starting off with a half a teaspoon of sunflower oil. And first of all, toss in the garlic and onion. Allow that to sweat just a little bit. It will start to get aromatic. And of course, we've got the Instant Pot here on saute mode. Then pour in your garbanzo beans, your veggies. Once again, that's the zucchini, carrot, peas, and corn. And make sure to get it all out of that bowl. And then you're going to throw in your kale, and it's not going to want to go in. Give it a little bit of help there. And there we go. And then next, you're going to put in your seasoning. We're starting off with some curry powder, and we're putting about 1/4 teaspoon of all of these. I personally eyeballed it. Next of all, we're putting in some cumin, black pepper, of course some salt. I'm using Himalaya pink salt myself. This is actually not Redmond's brand. I filled it up with a separate bag of Himalaya pink salt. And lastly, some cayenne pepper. I like mine spicy, so I put a lot in there. Next, I actually heated up some bouillon, 2 cubes of veggie bouillon, to create 4 cups worth, and just poured that on in. Next, I'm showing you the lentils here, which I shouldn't have put my hand in because when I poured it out, you can fully see that it's red lentils and quinoa. So go ahead and give that a nice little stir. And we're gonna let this sit and simmer for 15 minutes. And the camera was so steamed up that I had to actually pull it off to pour in that coconut milk so you guys could see it. Then I put the camera back and poured in a little bit more salt, I do like mine nice and savory. And lastly, this was a last minute addition. I had some ramen and I thought that would make a great fit. So unfortunately, my camera cut off to add in my second packet of ramen and to pour my bowl of soup. I do enjoy showing you that, but unfortunately, it's not a part of this video. And here it is, the final bowl. And I have to say, this was such a delicious soup. I really hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you give it a try. If you do, tag us on Instagram at the Soup Troupe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.